what's up? Hi friends, what's up? Hi friends, what's up? Hi friends, what's up everybody?
Hello friends, welcome to another episode of Iyayiskitchen. Esther here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to spice up your life in the kitchen. Right, let's get into it. So I'll be starting with the linguine. I'm just going to put everything into my pan. I've already salted that, so yeah, I'm just going to let everything sit. Okay, so I've got my pan here, nice and heated. I'm going to throw in some virgin oil. Be generous with the oil, so I don't want to throw in any more oil after. So I'm just adding plenty of oil now, and then I'm going to throw in the shallots and some garlic, mussels. And then we'll let that sit for 5 minutes, just watching everything open up and the wine to cook as well. Okay, so I've had that going now for 5 minutes. I'm gonna add in our chopped tomatoes and cherry tomatoes. Just mix that around the pan. I'm gonna let that go now for another 10 minutes or 7 minutes. See how I get on, I'll let you know. Right, so this has been going now for 5 minutes. And now I'm going to add in the parsley and basil, some chili flakes. I do like my chili flakes, and a tablespoon of chicken bouillon. You want some flavor in that. Mix. Look at that lovely color. I like this color. I'm now going to add in a pinch of salt. Be generous with your salt. You don't, not too generous, but. So at this point, our pasta should be done. We've had our sauce going on for some time, so I'm going to add in more fresh garlic because garlic is everything. I'm gonna add in our linguine now. And also our fresh prawns. I'm adding this last because, you know, these are already cooked, and you know, prawns have some good shrinking game. Now just mix the sauce in with the linguine properly. Just mix. I'm gonna add in more chili flakes just because we do really like spicy food in our house. And a teeny bit more fresh parsley. And there we have it, guys. Our seafood linguine is done and ready. Hope you like this video. Enjoy.